Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a video showing the new game optimizer mode available on both the LG C1 and the G1. So I've already unboxed this TV and done a setup video. So check out the card in the corner there. Now by default, if you wanted to go into the game optimizer, you'd go into settings and then select game optimizer. And that's what the interface looks like straight out of the box. Now I haven't done the update yet. So if I go back, go to support, software update. So you can see the current version I'm on. So let me get that update installed. The update's applied now. I've restarted the TV and that's the current firmware version. So what this has done now, it's enabled Dolby Vision Hdr at 4K 120 Hz. And LG have confirmed they're the first manufacturer to do this. It's come to their C1 and G1 models and it's going to be rolling out to the other premium 2021 TVs. And now on the remote, if I press settings, it now brings up a dashboard. You can see here frames per second, black stabilizer, standard. So these are the different gaming modes. So clicking on this, it flips between the different options there. And you've got an indicator on the left and right indicating where you are with this. You can see it coming down. Moving on, you've got low latency set to on. AMD FreeSync premiums enabled as well. All settings, coming onto this, shows you all the settings. Back from here, back onto the dashboard, you've got game optimizer. So that goes directly into the game optimizer option. And there we have it. You can change the settings as before. Now the dashboard color's changed. It's gone to more of a purple color rather than the standard gray they had for the other options. Looks pretty cool. And going down, the same options still apply on here. Now this is happening just before there are any Dolby Vision HDR enabled games available. So this is just preparation for that point. But what they say, Dolby Vision games automatically map to your Dolby Vision display as you play. So you're always seeing the full picture. And what Microsoft said it means, you'll see brighter highlights, sharper contrast, and more vivid colors. But not sure how that will apply to other HDR games. Next, if we go back into the dashboard and go to display options on my Xbox and look at 4K TV details. And on here now you can see it says it supports Dolby Vision for gaming at 4K 60 Hz and Dolby Vision for gaming at 4K 120 Hz. And now with Fortnite running, you can see the different game modes you can flip between and the differences that brings. Black stabilizers changing. So good. Really impressed with the new dashboard. Fits in well, gives you a good summary of the settings on there. So really impressed. So there you go. Thanks for viewing and see you in the next one.